Hey folks, it's your girl Anna here from the For Real channel, back with another super useful video. Today, I've got something convenient for you Apple users out there. We've all been there, right? You're ready to jot down some notes with your Apple Pencil and bam, it's not charging, so frustrating. So I'm going to help you fix it. All right, let's get to it. First, you know your iPad and Apple Pencil are besties. They need Bluetooth to communicate. Let's start by checking if their communication channel is okay. You'll need to toggle your Bluetooth off and turn it back on. Super easy. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPad screen. Tap on that cute little Bluetooth icon to switch it off, count to 30, and then tap it again to turn it back on. Simple as that. All right, moving on. You always want to make sure your iPad is up to date. So let's check if you're running the latest and greatest version of ipadOS. Head over to the Settings app on your iPad, tap on General in the left sidebar, and then Software Update on the right. Give it a few moments to do its thing. If there's an update available, just hit the Download and Install button. By the way, if you're finding this helpful so far, go on and give us a like. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Next step. Let's try giving your iPad a little nap. Yup, just a simple restart. It can work wonders. All you must do is simultaneously press and hold the top and volume up or down buttons until you see the Slide to Power Off slider. Once you see that, slide the power icon from left to right. Wait a minute, then press and hold the top button until the magical Apple logo pops up. Now this next trick might sound a little out there, but trust me, it can help sometimes. Get some eyeglass wipes and a microfiber cloth, and give your Apple Pencil and iPad a clean. Wipe them down thoroughly. Get rid of any residue, and then try connecting your Apple Pencil back to your iPad. All right, if your pencil still isn't charging, we will try unpairing and then repairing it to your iPad. Open your Settings app, tap on Bluetooth, and find your Apple Pencil under the list of devices. Tap on the eye next to its name. From there, just tap Forget this device. After that, restart your iPad. Once it's back up, connect your Apple Pencil and wait for a prompt saying they're connected. If you want to double-check it, you can go back to your Bluetooth settings and see your Apple Pencil listed there. Now, the most common reason for the Apple Pencil not charging is that it's been unused for too long. The battery can end up damaged if left uncharged for a long time, so try to charge your pencil regularly to avoid this issue. You've tried all the steps and still no luck? Not to worry. Just reach out to the friendly folks at Apple Support. They'll be able to tell you if your pencil is covered under warranty or if it's time for a new one. You can book an appointment with the Genius Bar at your nearest Apple store or get help from Apple's support website from the comfort of your home. And that's it, my friends. Your Apple Pencil should be back in action in no time. Remember, technology is our friend. Sometimes it just needs a little care and attention. If you found this video helpful, give a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who might need it. Remember to subscribe to For Real for more cool and helpful content like this. Until next time, take care and keep teaching.